Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am going to do a makeup tutorial. A few of you guys have been asking me to do a makeup tutorial. So here I am going to show you all how I apply my makeup. No special brushes, no special makeup. I'm just going to show you what I use and just show you all how I do my makeup. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for the tutorial. everybody, I am back. I am through with my makeup tutorial. How do you like the look? For those who've been asking me to do a makeup tutorial, here it is. This is the way I apply my makeup. You guys, I did not do a review on this wig, but this is one of the bargain bin wigs that I've gotten, and this wig was $2. I went on $2 day and got her. Look at the, you know, the different color of hair on her. It's blonde, black, brown, gray. It has a mixture of colors in her, and she has no combs, just adjustable straps. And I hope you like it. Yes. So she's a short wig. She's synthetic fiber. I don't know if you can add heat to her, so I haven't tried it. I don't know what I'm going to name her. I don't know. What does she look like to y'all? Miss Daisy? Nah, Miss Daisy sounds old. How about Tina? Yes, Tina. Okay? Because she has no logo, nothing in her. Nothing. So I'm going to call her Tina. Yes, Miss Tina. So this is what she looks like on the side, back, okay, side, and front. So, all right, you guys, thank you all so much for watching. This was my makeup tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it. And after this video, I'm going to do I'm going to do a wig review. I'm going to show you the box. I have not taken her out or anything, so stay tuned for that video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Please, what are you waiting on? You already here, subscribe. And come back, because you never know what I may have next for you. Go ahead and hit the notification bell button so that you'll be notified when I get ready to upload a video. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and come back now. I got another video coming. Come back. All right, y'all. Be blessed. Bye-bye.